In my previous class, I started basic concept of nomenclature of organic compounds. Today, I shall discuss nomenclature of organic compounds, bicyclo and Spiro compounds, aiming at the students of class 12 and JEE and Neet aspirants. This is a bicyclo compounds, two fused rings joined through a bridge. This carbon is bridge head and this carbon is bridge head. So we start, and this is bridge and this is a bridge and this is a bridge. So first we shall start 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. This chain contains 2 carbon atoms and this chain contains 2 carbon atom. This chain contains 1 carbon atom. So its name should be, as bicyclo compounds, its name should be bicyclo 2 2 1 heptane, methane, ethane, propane, butane, pentane, hexane, heptane. So its name should be bicyclo 2 2 1 heptane. And this is another bicyclo compounds, 2 fused rings, 1 ring and 2 ring, and these rings contains more carbon atoms than this ring, and this is bridge head, one bridge head and another bridge head. So we should start 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and this chain ring contains more carbon atoms, so we should proceed through this chain. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So its name should be bicyclo 1, 2, 3, 4. 4, 1, and this contains no carbon, so its name should be bicyclo 4, 1, 0 heptane. Root word hep suffix 10. Bicyclo 4100 heptane. This is another bicyclo compounds, and this is bridge head and this is double bond. So we should start from this point. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. This ring contains 1, 2 carbon atom. This ring contains 1, 2 carbon atom, and this ring and this bridge contains 1 carbon atom. So its name should be bicyclo 2, 2, 1 hept 2 in. And this is another bicyclo compounds, 2 rings fused through a bridge, and this is bridge head, and this contains So your names should be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So its name should be bicyclo. Prefix should be bicyclo, 2 carbon atoms, and this chain contains 2 carbon atoms, and this chain contains 2 carbon atoms. So bicyclo 2, 2, 2, octa 2, 6, dione. So its name should be bicyclo 2, 2, 2, octa 2, 6, di1. And this is another bicyclo compounds, and this ring contains more carbon atoms than this ring, and this is bridge head. So bridge head should be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So this ring contains 1, 2, 3, 4. This ring contains 1, 2, 3, and this contains no carbon atom. So its nomenclature would be 8-methyl substituent methyl group, 8-methyl bicyclo 4,3,0 nonene. This chain contains more carbon atoms than this chain, so we should start from this side. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 8 methyl substituent. So its name would be prefix 8 methyl within bracket 4,3,0. This chain contains 4 carbon atoms. So this chain contains 3 carbon atoms, 1, 2, 3, and this chain contains no carbon atoms. So 4,4,3,0 nonene. So its name 8-methyl bicyclo 4,3,0 nonene. This is Spiro compounds. In Spiro compounds, 2 rings are joined by quaternary carbon at the apex. Here 1 ring and 2 ring fused at this carbon atom. This is Spiro compounds, and so in the prefix it should be pyro. So its nomenclature should be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So its nomenclature should be Spiro within brackets 2 carbon atoms, Spiro 2, 2, or methane, ethane, propane, butane, pentane. Spiro 2, 2, pentane. And this is another Spiro compounds, 2 ring fused at this carbon atom, and this ring contains lesser carbon atom in respect to this ring. So we shall start here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So Spiro within brackets 2, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 carbon atoms, and here 2 carbon atoms. So Spiro 2,5-octane. This is another Spiro compounds. Two rings fused at this carbon atom.